Luke Skywalker's X-Wing Fighter. This set was released in 2021 and is 75301. I picked this up at the local Bricks Minifigs. This set has seen better days. It appears some time with its previous owner has left it caked and yellow. R2 endures. I have an experiment I'd like to do for this video, and I'd like you to bring you along. Let's take it apart. For the premise of this video, we're going to take it apart, clean it, restore it. I've got some new stickers on the way, and I'd like to catalog that. So join me as we haphazardly take apart a Lego set only to put it back together. Once the set was disassembled, I placed it in some warm soapy water in my rotary tumbler and quickly realized that that wasn't going to work. It was not going to rotate efficiently enough to get clean. So I took it out of the mesh bag and it worked much better. It went back into the mesh bag after a couple of hours and rinsed off in the backyard faucet. It was placed out on a pan. Didn't need to dry. It was immediately going into a solution of hydrogen peroxide. But I ended up changing the container I initially had put it into because it didn't fit. It was a very tight fit and I wasn't happy with it. So I put it into a 1-gallon Ziploc bag and left it out in the sun. My daughter wanted to remove the stickers. She said the ASMR will be great, so just enjoy this. This was one of her favorite things to do. She'll be My beautiful bride decided to help me build this one. She did a majority of the building, but I took pride in the sticker placement. Little progress shots as she gets through the bags or the sections. This build took probably 2 weekends off and on due to life. So you'll see some scene changes. Another progress photo. Right there. It's one of my beautifully placed stickers. Cockpit's on, dash panel's in. Luke, you've shut off your targeting computer. What's wrong? The S-foil mechanism had her a little confused. It wasn't mirrored properly, so that took a little troubleshooting. Hence, the time lapse. I've always been praised for my sticker placement. Although not fast, it is relatively efficient comparatively. And it is one of my favorite things to do. First batch of stickers is placed, and we're moving on. These stickers are for the fuselage. That'll go on the left and right sides. Some of the largest stickers this set has require a delicate touch. And there's one. Preparing for me another. And only when recording this do I see that that piece is dirty and I have forever encapsulated some dirt in it. Ah! That's very frustrating. That won't happen again. I promise you. And yes, I'm very aware that I'm entombing additional detritus under these stickers. But nobody will know except you. Oh, David, what have you done? It's creased. Don't crease it. Please don't crease it. Please don't. Oh, okay, I don't crease it. Phew. The recording of the video and the narration of the audio has some time elapsed in between due to life getting in the way. So this is footage I've shot almost a month ago. Ah, yes, wonderful. Excellent. Oh, yes, super close up. My favorite. Yeah, buddy. These radial parts were a little harder to line up, but nothing I can't handle. The stickers are asymmetrical because the Rebellion was very ramshackle. So there's missing panels, odd colors, very ad hoc for the Rebellion at this time in the era. My wife continues with a progressive build of this. We started to miss some pieces here soon that required us to take a time. I had to actually run back down to Bricks and Minifigs and find the aforementioned missing pieces. But she got the fuselage together. Here's all our engine cells going back on. This X-Wing is ready to take on the Empire. Minus R2. He hasn't been put back in yet. Thanks for watching, guys.